Hello everyone, Gun Review Surplus here, and today I have another World War I record. So as you can see, this is a Bluebird record with the song When Johnny Comes Marching Home. You can also see on B-side it has On the Old Assembly Line. But now let's play When Johnny Comes Marching Home.
Johnny comes marching home again, hooray, hooray. We'll give him a hearty welcome then, hooray, hooray. All the men will cheer and the boys will shout, the gals dress up and they'll all turn out, and we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home.
Get ready for the Jubilee.
Hooray, hooray.
It's a minute and 15 seconds of When Johnny Comes Marching Home. Let's move on to On the Old Assembly Line.
On the old assembly line, on the old assembly line, everything is hum, hum, humming on the old assembly line. When the overalls combine with the mighty dollar sign, there'll be miles and miles of American smiles from the factory to the mine on the old assembly line. On the old assembly line, on the old assembly line.
Everything is hum, hum, humming on the old assembly line.
When the overalls combine with the mighty dollar sign.
There'll be miles and miles of America.
And that was 1 minute and 15 seconds of On the Old Assembly Line. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my previous video on a different record that I got in the mail. And stick around because I have one more record coming in from World War I. But I'll see you in the next one, and happy collecting.